Hey gang, Jesse here at AC Auto Repair. So we have a few vehicles on Turo. We have a few vehicles, well anyhow, we have a few rental vehicles, so loaner vehicles. So every once in a while we'll drop a vehicle off at the airport or something. So just want to show you, and I'll put a link in the comments so that you can see which box this is. But we use these little key boxes that roll up in the window. Are they 100% secure? No, they're not. Like, there's not really ever going to be a lockbox that's 100% secure. But this works out great, especially for, like, we'll take a vehicle over to the airport, we'll drop it off, somebody will fly and grab it. But this one here, you just open up the little weatherproof thing, then you just type in the code. I won't show you all the code, but you just, okay, well, you can look now. Okay, and then we just turn that and that pops open, right? And then you just stick the keys down like that, turn it, and there it is. Voila, voila.